Welcome to the regular Faroese News Report.
In this edition, tunnel funding, dementia care, and a class-size dispute. Then, the latest political debates.
All right, let's jump right into the news.
The Suðuroy tunnel project just got its initial approval to move forward. A bill is on the table to allocate 70 million kroner for the initial planning and prep work.
The Prime Minister says the final plan has to be both practical and financially sound.
Next up, a new law hands over all dementia care from the state to the municipalities.
The Alzheimer's Association is urging them to work together on specialized services.
Now to education. A new law on first-grade class sizes is already being challenged.
Despite the 22-student limit, Tórshavn got an exemption. It affects 166 kids.
A proposal to allow public bids in other languages besides Faroese is facing major opposition.
Industry groups argue it would weaken the language and create unfair competition.
And in politics, Erling Eidesgaard from the Tildeveldi party is back in the Løgting.
He's taking over for Hervjord Palsdottir, who is now back on her maternity leave.
Funeral arrangements are now set for Nemi Obalba, the former Archbishop of Nigeria.
It'll be held in Rydavik and live-streamed, with thousands expected to watch from Nigeria.
Okay, now let's turn to this week's opinion pieces and debates.
The proposed Suðuroy tunnel has kicked off an intense debate about its environmental impact.
So, it's the government's official plan versus an alternative that protects local biodiversity.
One reader submission even called the potential environmental damage political vandalism.
Next, a re-election in Runavík is raising some serious questions about who actually gets to vote.
Here's the problem. Hundreds of former residents can vote, but new residents are shut out.
The plan to take over Aviation Authority from Denmark is causing a political split.
The government wants a slow, phased approach, but the opposition says that'll just create chaos.
Other hot topics include project funding, the use of substitute MPs, and Tórshavn's housing policy.
Like and subscribe to PalsFundamentals for more content like this. Sources linked below.